Guys, demo namin. Brand new Toyota Fortuner Q. Q model 2025. Kinapitan natin siya ng DRL always on. Kita nyo, kaya may ilaw siya kahit may headlight. Plug and play. Projector JCL color white. Ito, para improve natin yung ilaw. Napakahina kasi ng ilaw niyan. In-upgrade namin yung bumper DRL. Kita nyo, sequential na yung bumper DRL niya. So yung mga may Q model, GV, wala yan. So ito sequential na. Hood shocks, nilagyan rin natin siya. Pogi oh, 'di ba? Side view, nilagyan natin siya ng GR cladding. Auto fold and sequential lights version 2. Yan, sequential lights na siya, plug and play, rain visor, GR edition. Matte black cladding. Yan natin sa loob. Meron na tayong noise reducer. Nilagyan natin siya ng door seal. Ayan, door seal. Nilagyan natin yung kotse ni sir. Brand new. May plastic pa. Bumper light. Nilagyan natin siya. Rear seal. Ito yung upgrade natin. So, clean look lang ginawa natin dito. So, yung projector yan, napakalakas. Kita nyo. Ang layo na yan. White projector nilagay natin. Plug and play. No cutting. So, send us a message. We'll book your schedule. At saka nilagyan natin siya ng hood logo. Tingnan mo, bagay na bagay. Guwapong guwapo. So send us a message. We'll book your schedule here. So 1 hour, we're done. So message us and we'll book your schedule. Thank you.